assist.
لا شوي قلت لي حط الموسيقى وجات انا ديبرست، جات هلا عم احط لك الموسيقى صرت انه شو حطيت الموسيقى.
بس why do you have a sword?
شو ما تقول لي حط الموسيقى.
Actually, just so you know, this is a great. It's a 3D printed sword. Look at the smooth motion. So.
أنا I was about to be.
Okay.
هذا صاحبك اللي بيتعلق بظهرك.
أهلا فيكم بحلقة جديدة. هلو سلام.
أنا ما اسمي سلام.
اليوم talking about painful music pain. Today we're going to talk about the Pavlok 3.
It's not a smartwatch, but it improves any watch you attach it to. It's not an alarm clock, but it wakes you up better than any alarm could. It's a mindfulness coach on your wrist, a way to snap out of autopilot, and an opportunity to take control of your mornings, your habits, your life. Break bad habits, form good ones, conquer distractions, reclaim your focus.
It is something that helps you either develop good habits or eliminate bad habits. All right. And it can also serve as to wake you up, habit tracking.
فيك تفسر لهم شو هي بالضبط؟
Electric stimulation, water resistant, long-lasting battery, private sleep coach, etc. Let's open it first.
هي لساعة لتربيك.
It's not a watch as it doesn't give time, right?
هي بس بتعطيك شوك كهرباء.
So لا, I think it vibrates. It makes. So we have a quick.
It vibrates.
Yeah, بتعطيك شوك كهرباء كمان. So it's a USB-C fine, and here we go. Very light. Okay, so that's what's in the box. And obviously download, open the Pavlok app. Okay, it is light.
من ورا حديد for the shock.
أول شيء it's light, right? It can vibrate, it can make small music, whatever, and you can double tap it to check the battery, I think, or do like this, and it delivers electrical shock, right? It delivers electrical shock to help you get rid of. Let's say
smoking.
You wanna quit smoking, or stop biting your nails. It can actually react to when you raise your arm. Let's say you're watching a movie, right? It reminds you, or it can serve as a timer or a stopwatch or whatever. Why don't you wear it? Take
No, I don't want to.
It's not.
I don't want to be shocked.
No, it is kind of like wear it. So when you open the app, what do you see? You see the Pavlok 3 battery info. Configure device button, so you can configure. No, strap it. Strap it.
I don't want to strap it.
Strap it. It's a test. You're a big guy.
Why am I the guinea pig?
So you can configure the buttons, right? You have the device status. I already paired it. You can configure the device button to stopwatch, timer, sleep tracking, zap, beep, or vibrate, right? You have three different buttons. Hand raise detection, so you can turn that on, and then depending on if you put it on your right hand or your left hand, and you can say what's the stimulus. Do you want it to be a zap, a beep, a vibration, or whatever? If you raise your hand.
Vibration أول شيء لنشوف.
No, we're not there yet. Device info, update time, blah blah blah. It gets software updates. And here, which is cool, is you can add habits. So let's go on. Let's say you want to start a new habit, right? So you can choose. So it's either start a good habit, or break a bad habit, right? Quit smoking, stop drinking alcohol, customize your habit. We need a lot more if it's me or you. But what is also very cool is that you can also use it with the phone as a remote. So let's say you want. If you go here on the watch, let's say you want a beep, right? So quick remote, you can get a vibe, 80%, right? You can configure those, vibrator 100%, beeps, etc. So do you feel the vibe?
I do.
A beep, right? Or a zap. حسيتها؟
Fuck you.
No, it's not that song. Hold on. حسيتها؟ Okay, روح هنخففها.
لا
عم خففها So anyway, here you can set the strengths of your abs.
do it.
شو؟
فرجيني
Okay, I'll do one at 25%.
25%, that's nothing. That's nothing. You did it for me at 100.
25%. That's fine. Hala, what is cool is you can say put it on if you want your kids to study, right?
This is torture.
Or whatever. لا, because even at 100%, it's not that strong, and there's no risk for
Dude,
the heart.
بتنقز مزق
There's
يعني
no-
وجاني راسي.
Hand raise detection is not wow, I
The
guess.
shock thing is wow.
حالك when it's good. انت you're married, right? وحصوت بدك توعى 5 6 7 بكره to go to a studio وما بدك تحط الارم يوعي كل البيت اما يوعي مرتك. You put this يعني if the vibration won't wake you up, the shock will,
يعني
right?
اخت هيك فايقة ساعتها.
ايه بس بتفيق and in silence.
بس في عندي اياها في رج الارم تبعي وبالساعة.
اوكي بس في ناس ما بيوعوا
The only
بالرجة.
good thing is just a shock wave. That's it. The electrical shock wave قوية.
في ناس-
أو بتحكم فيها أو بتخليك إنه توقف. هاي بس.
بس في انا ما بوعى من انا ما بوعى من ال
أكيد ما
هيدي.
بيوعى أبدا. You have no idea.
uses electric stimulation. هلا were you stimulated?
راسي عم بيجاني أكتر.
So
I am
it is
stimulated.
fully programmable, can be programmed to deliver a mild electric shock, vibration, or sound when the user engages in a desired or undesired behavior. It comes in 3 different colors. Okay, so what do we say? Adopt, kind of cool, different uses.
Nah, I wouldn't buy it. But if you wanna
But
try,
it's definitely original.
wanna try it, it
Definitely
is
original.
original.
I can think of a lot of uses, but they're
yeah,
evil
بس
uses.
بس
There are evil uses. It's not that strong, is it? It's not. يعني
أنت جربت على 25%. أنا جربت على 100%. Yeah.
okay, guys. Yalla, see you.
All right, see you next
That was cool.
episode.
Bye.
And subscribe.
Subscribe.